Hi, welcome to More Power with Boost Mobile. Let's get your phone activated on the Boost Mobile network. The SIM card kit you received in the mail includes a SIM card and ejector tool you'll need in upcoming steps. Before we get started, make sure your device is powered off. Next, look for a SIM slot on your device. It might be on the top, side, or bottom, and will have a small hole at one end. Insert the ejector tool into the small hole to pop it open. Your SIM card kit includes 3 potential SIM sizes. If your device has an existing SIM, take it out and compare it with the new SIMs, or look at the SIM tray. You're almost there. Gently insert your card gold side down into the tray or slot until it snaps into place. Then push it back in. It's that simple. Now that you've inserted your new SIM card, it's time to complete activation. Visit my.boostmobile.com/shop/activate. Need help? We're here for you. For support, visit my.boostmobile.com/support. Thanks for choosing Boost Mobile. Soon you'll be enjoying America's largest 5G networks.